and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I have another smoothie for you guys. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so today's smoothie is going to be a really easy, simple, delicious detox smoothie. So you're going to be needing your blueberries here today. We have some lemon juice. We have half of our banana. Now, like if you guys have seen, I've been telling you that I always just pre-freeze my bananas. So as they're starting to get, brown, I'll go ahead and slice them up and then put them in little freezer baggies and label like one banana, two, this is half of a banana. Or I'll just make banana bread. But I've been on like this smoothie kick, so I've just been freezing bananas. So then you're gonna need some ginger. Now this is just organic ginger, whatever, that I just got at the store already shaved or diced or whatever you want to call it. Then we have our baby spinach, some coconut water, and cucumber. Now for this specifically, I'm just going to be blending the entire cucumber. You guys know a lot of times I will stripe them or take some of the skin off because it can be a little bitter, but I'm not going to do that here today. And as always, if you want, you can go ahead and add a sweetener of choice, whether you want to use monk fruit sweetener, sugar, honey, whatever it is. You guys are more than welcome to do so, but I like to kind of taste it beforehand, and if I don't need to add extra sugar, then I'm not going to. I mean, you're going to get sweetness from your bananas and your blueberries and stuff like that. So now, just like always, you're just going to go ahead and start adding in all of your ingredients. So we have half of our banana. Now, other than a powder, or if you're using granulated sugar or maybe even like the ginger, then that's just what I typically add last after all of the liquids and stuff like that are in here. That way it doesn't get like all stuck at the bottom and doesn't mix well. So we have our bananas, we have our lemon juice. You can can I speak today? You can use lime juice too if you want. Then we're going to add in our blueberries. About a quarter of a cup of blueberries. Then you're going to add about a tablespoon of your fresh ginger. I know. It's going to be okay. Then about a cup of your spinach. This is obviously going to condense once we mix it up. Then we just have our cucumber and our coconut water. Now I have the Vita Coco coconut water, the original one. I know there's all different flavors, or there's the one that's like really thick or whatever, but normal coconut water is fine. You can use coconut milk too if you prefer. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and add our lid, and then we're going to get blended. Blueberries always make the colors of these smoothies like insane. I can smell the ginger. So I'm just going to go ahead and add this to another cup with our smoothie straw, and then we're going to get to trying some. Okay guys, so as always, if you want your smoothie to be a little bit thicker, you can go ahead and add some more ice. If you want it to be thinner, you can add more of your liquid. So in this case, it would be the coconut water or maybe some more lemon juice if you want it to be really lemony. But right off the bat, as you can see, it made considerably less than the other smoothies. The other smoothies are like double this, so just keep that in mind. But let's try it. Ooh, keep in mind, this isn't going to be like a very sweet and like fruity and super berry like type of smoothie like some of the other ones, or like the breakfast smoothies or something like that. This is a detox smoothie, but it's definitely good. Now you can definitely taste the ginger a little bit, so it has a little bit of that like tang, or I don't want to say like spiciness, but you know what I mean with like ginger. So you can definitely play with that a little bit, but this is going to do exactly what it's supposed to do. Just detox our bodies. Super good. So definitely let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you guys try this, how you felt afterwards, if you noticed anything different or any changes. But do keep in mind, I know this looks like a blueberry and super sweet smoothie. If you guys are looking for like a berry type smoothie, I have other ones that I can link right up here that would be better for you. This is not going to be like a sweet little treat. This is definitely a detox smoothie, and you can taste it. I can taste everything like it going through my body. Super good. But that is all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it, and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. And share this video with anybody that's been looking for a nice detox drink, or just a detox. This is like the simplest way to do it. Just whip up a quick little smoothie or drink or whatever it is. Just chug it down. Doesn't get any simpler than that. And as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes just like this one, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.